All right, class, so today is our homework help video on evaluating expressions. Okay, when you are evaluating an expression, um, you must use order of operations. Here it's it's telling you what the value of these variables are. So you're going to substitute these values into this expression and solve it, okay? All right, so right now it's an algebraic expression because it has a combination of numbers and operations. Once we substitute all the values in and there's no more variables, it's going to be a numerical expression in which you still solve by using order of operations. Okay, so here we have -7, parentheses 8. The operation between 8 and 8 is multiplication. The value of A is 4, plus we have 5. The value of B is 2, close the parentheses, plus the value of C is a -1. So now we're going to use order of operations. We're going to do all operations within parentheses. So we're going to multiply first. This is going to give us 32. So we have 32 here. Plus, bring this down. We got 5 times 2, which is 10. Bring everything else down. We're going to add. This gives us 42. So we have -7. We have 42 here. We have plus a -1 or just -1. Same thing, okay? All right, now we're going to multiply. A negative times a positive is going to give us a negative here. And we're going to multiply 42 times 7, okay? 7 and 2 is 14. This is 28, 29. So we have 294, -294, minus your 1. So that's going to be a -295. Okay. All right, let's look at number 2. We're going to do the same thing for number 2. We're going to substitute these values into the algebraic expression. All right, so we have 9, parentheses, -4. The operation between a number and a variable is multiplication. So this is times a -2 minus 7 times, in here is 5. Close your parentheses. Order of operations tells us to do all operations within the parentheses. So multiplication is going to come first. A -4 times a -2 is a +8. So we got 8 here. This is multiplication here as well. This is going to be a -35. All right. So now we're going to subtract here. This is going to be 9. When we subtract here, let's do this out to the side, 35, 8 minus 8, sorry. We know it's going to be a negative answer because the absolute value of 35 is further away than the absolute value of the 8. So when we subtract, this is 2, 15, you can use fingers and toes. We got 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Bring down the 2. All right. So we have a -27 here. So now we're going to multiply. We have 27 times 9. Remember, a positive times a negative. This is going to be a negative answer here. This is going to be 63. This is 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay. All right. And so this is what you're doing. You're substituting the values into the algebraic expression, and you're using order of operations to solve. All right. Okay, y'all. Please make sure that you complete the entire thing. Make sure that you take your time. Use your order of operations to solve these, okay? You got it. All right. Have a good one. Bye.